Cav 2001. So today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about a new product that I bought for my bike. I got it from Willy&Max. What this is I did a little bit of research. I'm not a big fan of the pockets on a motorcycle, on the dash, but after having that short windshield and it had the nice pocket on the dash, I found that very helpful. So I did a little research and I have found this pocket. This is from Willy&Max, and this is an American-made company, and this is supposed to fit right in behind, and apparently this is supposed to be good for these lower windshields. As you can see, with the lower windshield, you got less space. So hopefully, once we get this in there, it's going to be a nice addition to the bike. But I'm going to get ready, take some of this other stuff off so I can get to where I'm working. And we're going to do that today, and I'll let you know what I think. What I will say is the Velcro on this stuff is really solid. This is pretty good quality leather, and I think this is going to work really well for me. Quite happy with it. So here's what it looks like once it's installed, and I kind of like it. It's got this hole on the bottom here that allows the cord to come through, and I think it looks pretty slick. I've got my iPod up there, and it's very clean looking. So Willy&Max, you know what? I think I like it. So we'll just see how it works.